Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you, remembering the holiday party we had with the crew.